Jed here to demonstrate how to download and install the GoTo desktop app. Depending on your products, you can do multiple things with this app. Those range from attending and hosting meetings, webinars, training sessions, and using your computer as your business phone. GoTo can also be accessed through the mobile app. View the video link in the description to learn more about that. Before logging in with the app, your admin must create a user profile in the administration portal, including your name and business email address. You will receive a welcome email once the admin has registered you as a new user. After clicking the appropriate link, you are taken to a page like this to create your login password. You are then taken to the My Account page. You may see different options here depending on what products are available with your GoTo plan. Either way, once you get to this point, you can download and use the desktop app. The GoTo desktop app is available for Mac and Windows users. You must download the correct installation file for the operating system and chip type. To simplify the download process, go to this site. I'm also including this link in the video description. This page contains excellent instructions for helping you know which installation file to download. You will also see the latest requirements for the operating system you desire. Here are the two different options for Mac users. And here's the link that works for Windows users. I'm using a Windows computer for this video, but the download and installation steps are similar for Mac users. Click the correct download link for your system. That will download a file to your computer. Open that from your downloads location. After clicking that, the install file will take care of the rest. We now see the sign-in screen for GoTo. You can either sign in with your credentials or join a meeting if you have that event's session ID or name. That's all there is to download and install the GoTo desktop app.
Thank you for watching the video. I've included links to additional videos about GoTo's products and features in case you want to learn more.